Welcome to our guide on accessing alternatives to the Google Play Store on your LG Smart TV. Unfortunately, the Google Play Store on LG Smart TVs has several limitations, especially regarding app availability. This raises the need for alternatives, giving you access to a wider variety of apps and services. Some popular alternatives include the Amazon App Store, Aptoide TV, and more. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide to install alternative app stores on your LG Smart TV. Next, we'll demonstrate how to sideload apps using APK files on your LG Smart TV. Remember to always be cautious when downloading from third-party sources. Here are some safety tips. With these alternatives, you'll find a plethora of apps that enhance your viewing experience. In conclusion, explore these alternatives to enhance your LG Smart TV experience. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more smart TV tips.